I hosted a recording and mixing retreat at Sonic Ranch in Texas, and it turned into something really special. We spent 3 days recording and mixing, but the real magic was everything around it. Connecting with people, sharing ideas, and making music together in one of the best studios in the world. And being isolated on a ranch in the middle of a desert made everything even more magical. It wasn't just about the gear and the techniques, it was about the energy, the friendships, and the inspiration we found in that space. On the first day, we recorded a really cool rapper from DC called Funy. And instead of a typical hip-hop production, we decided to go for an organic approach with real musicians.
They like years away, and why would I ever hesitate?
It gives me kind of like a Kanye feel, where Kanye kind of just goes kind of crazy and just like really just doing all that.
Like that, so like both at the same time. Yeah.
At the same time?
Yeah.
On the second day, we recorded Lone Air, a great artist from Sweden, and we were going for a Van Morrison, the band kind of vibe. Everything was done live in the studio, and we even welcomed Bleed into the sound.
Yeah, exactly.
Take a seat, 'cause you won't have your peace until they've said their piece.
And Funy was also in the room, just adding a bit of vibe and energy into the session. And that's why I love recording in this way, because it's all about capturing a moment.
Take a seat, 'cause you won't have your peace until they've said their piece to you.
So great inside, so great.
Yeah. I'm like trying to stay away from it for as long as I can, so I'll be surprised when I come in.
On it.
On Minget, yeah.
Yeah, that's been magical.
And the people who joined this workshop came from different backgrounds and experience levels, but what they all had in common was a real passion for music and recording. If that sounds like you, this is something you would love too. And the Sonic Ranch Experience 2026 is happening. If you want to be part of it, just click on the link below and get on the waitlist, because there will only be 10 to 12 spots available, and the first people on the list get first access. Thanks for watching, and a big thank you to everybody who came to the ranch and who made it special. And finally, a big shout out to Corey Zach, who joined us as a guest. And Corey is a great engineer and producer from New Jersey and the mastermind behind Cocoon Recordings. And his unique perspectives and insights really gave the workshop another dimension.
I love the animals here, man. They make it such a vibe. Last time I was in the studio, like after everyone kind of broke up, some of the cats were just like on the console. I'm like, this is the coolest thing ever. Like, they're just chilling, like, oh yeah.